Hello friends, welcome to the session. In last session we learned about importing and exporting from different file, and in this session we will learn about class components. Till now we have just used functional components, but there is a class component as well in React, and class component is also used very much. So we need to know how class component work as well. So in this video we will learn how can we make a class component. So inside this component folder I will make another file called person class.js. In this person class we will make the same person component but using class. So here what we do is first we will import React from React, and then we will make a class called person class which extends react.component. So what does this extend do is this extend makes some objects and method from this react.component class available to this person class. So what things this extend bring to this person class, we will explore that in coming sessions as well. And in this session we will just see one render function. This render function is also made available to this person class by this react component, and this is most important function while making class component, because only we can return the JSX inside this render function. So in render we will return a div with class name of person. This will have a h2 with person name and p with age, let's say 15. So this is our person class. Now we need to export it, right? So let's export default person class. We exported it, but see the person and age are here static. We need to make this dynamic. So in functional component we define something called props in this function argument, but in class component we don't have any arguments to define the props. So in this case in class component what we do is we simply say this dot props dot name. So this refers to this person class, and this person class have one props object which is made available to us by this react.component class. So on extending react.component for this person class we have got this render method and this props object, so that react.component made available for us. So here we write this dot props dot age. So now this will be same as that of this component. So now instead of person in app, if we use person, we need to import that, right? Import person person class from dot slash component slash person class, and then here we can use person class. Let's replace all this with person class, and this person is defined but not used. Let's skip this for now, and let's see we have Michael to John. See, now let's change something here and write p here and say this is from class component. And let's see, we are saying this is from class component. And let's say here this is from functional component. And in here let's use this two as a person and this two as a person from class. And let's see our result. See, this is from class component, this is from functional component, this is from functional component, and this is from class component. So pretty much I think you understand how class component work. We need to extend react.component, which make available some methods and some objects, and one method is render and one object is props. We have more things as well, and we will explore those in coming lessons. So that's all for now, and in next video we will learn more about props and states. So thank you for watching, guys.